Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a 14 inches by 24 inches reinforced concrete rectangular column using working stress method that carries an axial bending load of 300 kips and a minimum eccentricity at weak axis. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 4000 psi, vertical bars 1 inch diameter bar, grade 40, lateral tie bars 3 8-inch diameter bar, grade 33, steel ratio 3%. The column carries an axial load of 300 kips. Assume a self-weight of 3.5 kips for a total load of 303.5 kips. Enumerate input parameters required. C6 for column name, rectangular shaped tied column, second to third for column segment, width of column 14 inches, length of column 24 inches, 10 feet unsupported height, vertical bars 1 inch diameter at grade 40, lateral bars 3 8-inch diameter at grade 33, strength of concrete 4000 psi, 3% steel ratio, axial bending of minimum eccentricity at weak or y-axis, and total load of 303.5 kips. Given Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fy equals 40,000 psi, the ratio and allowable stresses are as follows. N equals 8.044, M equals 11.76, Fa equals 1.89, Fb equals 1.8. The reduction factor is 0.841 and the nominal load is 360.88 kips. The gross area of column is 265.35 square inches, less than 336 square inches from assumed size of column. Given Ag equals 336 square inches and 3% steel ratio, the area of steel is 10.08 square inches. The number of bars for 1 inch diameter is 14. 3 8-inch diameter tie bar spacing are as follows. 5 at 4 inches, 4 at 6 inches, rest at 10 inches. The minimum eccentricity at weak axis is 1.4 inches. The balance eccentricity at weak axis is 5.04 inches, greater than 1.4 inches. Therefore, the section is compression controlled. Bending moment at x-axis is 505.23 inch kips, and moment of inertia at x-axis is 8000.05. The actual axial stress is 1.07 and the actual bending stress at x-axis is 0.44. The combined shear and moment stress is 0.811, which passes the adequacy test. Design results in metric are as follows. Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 20,000 psi, column size is 350 mm by 600 mm by 3048 mm, vertical bars of grade 40, 14 pieces 25 mm bar, lateral ties of grade 33, 10 mm bars 4 sets spacing, 5 at 100 mm, 4 at 150 mm, rest at 250 mm. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.